Creating the perfect sleep environment. Tips for a restful bedroom. Are you struggling to fall asleep or waking up still feeling tired, even after a full night in bed? If so, the answer might not be your schedule or stress levels, but the very environment you're sleeping in. I'm Dick Bijen of Devon Duvets, and today we will explore how to create the perfect bedroom environment to help you sleep more deeply, wake more refreshed, and generally support your health. If you care about our planet and aspire to live more sustainably while also seeking the secret to a truly great night's sleep, this is the channel for you. So, why your sleep environment matters. Let us explore why your sleep setting is more than just aesthetics. Sleep isn't just about how tired you feel, it's a biological rhythm, and your surroundings affect every stage of that rhythm. Too much light, the wrong temperature, synthetic bedding, noise and even poor air quality can disturb your deep sleep cycles and stop you from feeling truly restored. So let's break this down and give you practical science-backed steps to transform your bedroom into a sanctuary for sleep. So the temperature, not too hot, not too cold. Research shows that the ideal sleep temperature is between 16 and 18 degrees Celsius. That's cooler than most people think. Why? Because your core body temperature naturally drops at night to initiate sleep. If the room is too warm, it prevents that to drop and you toss and turn. One key solution, choose breathable natural bedding. At Devon Duvets, we spent over 18 months perfecting a wool duvet that naturally regulates body temperature. Unlike synthetic or down, it won't trap excess heat or make you sweat. Then air quality, fresh air, better rest. You may have seen our recent podcast about the buildup of CO2 during the night and how it can spike around 3 a.m., leading to a racing heart and poor sleep. Ventilation is key. Open a window slightly, or if you live in a city, consider a HEPA filter. Avoid using scented candles or synthetic room sprays. They often contain VOCs that irritate the lungs. And for bedding, choose natural chemical-free materials. Our duvets are free of synthetic treatments and we never use chemicals. Do you want to sleep under chemicals? At Devon Duvets, we think not. Then light. Dark means deep sleep. Light is the enemy of melatonin, your natural sleep hormone. Even small amounts of light, like a hallway light or LED from a phone charger, can suppress melatonin and disturb your body clock. Block it out with blackout curtains and switch off electronics. No screens in the bedroom, and that includes your phone. Want a quick win? Replace blue light night lamps with warm amber tones, or better still, use dimmable lights and turn them down an hour before bed. Then sound. Silence isn't always golden. Interestingly, a completely silent room can sometimes make you more aware of every creak or thought. That's why white noise or soft ambient sound like ocean waves, gentle rainfall or even a fan can soothe the mind and mask disruptive noises. You can find dozens of high-quality sleep soundscapes on YouTube or apps like Calm and Headspace. If you live in a noisy area, consider thick curtains or even acoustic paneling, but a simple fan can often do the trick. Keep your bedroom clean, calm and clutter-free. Your bedroom should be a space for sleep, not stress. Keep it clean, clutter-free and calming. No piles of clothes, no work laptops and definitely no late night emails. Use natural materials, wooden furniture, breathable wool and cotton. A spritz of organic lavender mist on your pillow can also encourage sleep through scent. And yes, make your bed every morning. It signals order and encourages you to get into a calm mindset when you return in the evening. And then the bed itself. Make it worth sleeping in. Your mattress, topper, pillow and duvet all matter more than you think. Choose a pillow that supports your neck and spine. Our folding wool pillow allows for side sleeping and can be adjusted for height and firmness, especially helpful if you snore or have neck pain. Our handcrafted wool mattress tops can often soften a hard mattress and add breathability without trapping heat. And the duvet, well, if you sleep too hot or too cold, your body never settles into deep rest. Wool duvets, especially those made from 100% British wool and wrapped in high quality cotton, naturally adapt to your needs. Your bedroom should work for you, not against you. So many of us invest in gadgets, supplements, or expensive routines and forget the basics. You spend a third of your life in bed. It should be the most calming, clean, breathable, and comfortable place in your home. No technology will beat the power of natural materials, good air, and mindful lighting. If you're still tired when you wake, ask yourself, is your bedroom really helping you rest? So, what to do tonight? Here's your action list. Open a window, clear the clutter, turn down the lights an hour before bed, put away your screens, and when you're ready, slide under a natural breathable duvet. Ideally one handcrafted in Devon. Trust me, you will notice the difference. If this podcast gave you something useful, do subscribe and visit devonduvets.com to explore handcrafted natural bedding that helps you sleep better. Because a good night's sleep begins with your environment. And feel free to share this with someone who deserves a better night's sleep. I'm Dick Bijen. Thank you for listening and sleep